The 10 Best Thermal Monoculars. When you're a law enforcement officer, a hunter, or part of a search and rescue team, you may find yourself in a situation where you want to track heat sources in low light or completely dark environments. Unlike night vision devices, thermal monoculars can detect extremely small differences in temperature, which makes them especially effective for certain applications. The list starts from ATNOTS HD 640. Once you spot an animal with the ATNOTS HD 640, about $3,299, you can get a better look with its crispy zoom feature. This allows you to see distant objects with clarity, so you won't waste a shot at something small or get too close to something big and scary. 3D gyroscope stabilizes images. Simple to change settings, but short battery life. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. Ninth one is FLIR Scout 3. Outdoor enthusiasts from animal and bird watchers to hunters and hikers will all find something to like about the FLIR Scout 3. About $1,399. Its wrist strap makes it easy to lug around in the field, and it provides a clear view of the scenery along the way. Starts up very quickly, weighs just 12 ounces, but can't identify animals at long range. You shouldn't miss this product's review. Leupold LTO. Good luck hiding from the Leupold LTO. Around $556, and its 750-yard range. It's also effective up close, too, and can pick up on blood trails as well as a deer sneaking through the brush. The 3-hour battery life should be enough for most hunts, if used judiciously. Starts up in just 4 seconds. Gorilla Glass display screen, but gets blurry at highest magnification. Well, here is the 7th one. FLIR Scout TK. Incredibly compact and built for on-the-go use. The FLIR Scout TK, around $508, allows you to maintain some vision in the dark and can even be used for personal home security at night. It's simple to operate with both still image and video recording capabilities. Wide field of view, small enough to fit in a pocket, but has a limited range. You should look into this product, it was surely well marketed. Pulsar Core FX Q38. The Pulsar Core FX Q38, about $4,400, can be used on its own or attached to your rifle if you need a good scope. It's fully waterproof even with the battery pack in place, so you can use it on rainy nights or you can ford a river if you're feeling especially adventurous. Can also be powered via a USB, noiseless shutter calibration, but detects objects up to 1,475 yards. Now we will show you the 5th product in the list, FLIR LSXR. Designed for tactical use, the FLIR LSXR, around $3,599. Sports raised buttons that are easy to use even with gloves on. This makes it suitable for law enforcement purposes, or simply for hunting on a night when the mercury has dropped well below your comfort level. Hot object highlighting feature. Comes with MAL pouch, but red laser pointer. Customers are keying in according to them one should buy this one. FLIR Breech PTQ 136. There are multiple mini rail mounting points on the FLIR Breech PTQ 136. Around $2,085, to allow you to attach it to a helmet, rifle, or any other piece of equipment. This enables a hands-free operation, so you can use your mitts to fire at your prey or bad guys. Several color palettes, covered USB connection port, but 205-meter detection range. If you want cost-efficient, this new one is for you. Pulsar Axion. The Pulsar Axion, around $1,899, boasts a picture-in-picture setting that enables you to zoom in on a specific aspect of your quarry, without sacrificing your view of the rest of the field. It fits nicely in the palm of your hand, with all the buttons on top for easy access. Can stream to phones and tablets. IPX7 waterproof rated, but Durable magnesium alloy housing. According to reviews, the second best product is ATNOTS HD 384. The fact that the ATNOTS HD 384 APPX $2,289 is capable of connecting to Wi-Fi opens up a range of opportunities. From recording and streaming videos to accessing GPS data, you can play back a clip you just recorded quickly or even share it in real time with the person next to you. Records in high definition. Smart range finder. But e-compass for navigation. Now here is our best of best, the king product. Pulsar Helion XP. Available in 3 sizes. The Pulsar Helion XP, around $3,587, will keep you busy for hours. This waterproof unit provides 8 color palettes to work with, can stream video to mobile devices via its app, and has the ability to detect heat at up to an incredible 2,000 yards. Wi-Fi capabilities includes a lens cleaning cloth, but 8 GB of onboard storage.